Did you know that fidgeting can burn up to 350 extra calories a day? This surprising fact comes from a study by the Mayo Clinic, which found that small unconscious movements like tapping your foot or twirling your hair can significantly boost your daily calorie burn. These tiny actions, known as non-exercise activity thermogenesis, NEAT, play a crucial role in weight management. By simply incorporating more movement into your daily routine, you can enhance your metabolism and improve your overall health. So next time you catch yourself fidgeting, remember, it's not just a habit, it's a calorie-burning secret.